IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए. The language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen, yaar, don't be so conservative. Okay, this is a very special edition. We're recording at a very odd time because we missed the bus on Mother's Day. May 9th was Mother's Day, also my sister's birthday, coincidentally. So we've asked my lovely mother to come online. Just want to say for the record, she is asked to be paid. I said, Mom, please do this gratis. She said, no, I'm a professional and I expect some sort of payment. So, Silvery, I'd expect you to answer that question because at the end of the day, I'm just a humble artist whose mother has been brought on the show. And when it comes to the logistics of payment, etc., that falls in your lap as producer come creative guide.
Sure. So I feel that whatever, Cyrus, you make for this month of this podcast should go to Auntie.
Thank you.
I would use the word bastard, but I never curse in front of my mother. So I'm never going to say that.
But you said it, and that's real
Yes,
bad.
I'm so sorry. I said it by mistake. I don't know how it came out. I'm sorry. Shouldn't. Firstly, man my age should not be asking for permission. I'm almost as old as you are now, Mummy. What are you talking about? Okay, before we set up, I have to just tell everybody my mother was not happy with this whole idea.
Yeah.
She doesn't like doing these kind of things. She's very worried about, I think, what I will say and how she may react and what people will say. Unlike me, she cares about what people say. Mom, why do you care? You shouldn't care so much. You care too much. And Silvery, whose real name is Antariksh, Mom, you can say anything. I know Antariksh should be tough for you, so stick to Silvery. He's a very nice guy and he's very good with parents and, authority figures and things like that. He's the opposite. Yeah.
Yeah. Namaste, Auntie. Pai lagu.
That means he'll touch your feet. I have to
Touch your
speak
feet,
to
yes.
my mother.
Yeah, sorry. But I'll touch your
But
feet.
he can't do that because of technology.
Yeah,
It's just he's giving you a point. Mom, please say something. And is it possible to see more of your face? I think you'll have to move back a bit. Maybe I shouldn't give the directions. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
Now relax. Okay. We'll discuss payment issues later. Right now, Silvery is going to actually ask more questions. I'm going to just try and correct you when you make mistakes. So every 10 to 15 seconds. Silvery, when you're ready.
So I have a series of questions just for ma'am, and I have a series of questions for both of you. Okay.
I also want to be called ma'am, so I feel comfortable.
Yes, Cyrus, ma'am, will do.
Yes, thanks.
Okay. So I will start off with asking Olivia, ma'am. Ma'am, off the bat, obviously it's probably going to be a cliche question, but our fans definitely want to know what was Cyrus like as a child? Because we just imagine him to be extremely stubborn and mischievous all the time.
Mummy, tell him from the beginning, 10:34 in the night, August 7th, when I was born, how the doctor came and told you this is a great man and that kind of thing.
Oh, wow. Yeah, sure, Cyrus.
So what do you want to know? How he was as a kid?
Yeah.
How was he as a kid? Because
at birth,
in our minds, he was just always extremely stubborn, extremely mischievous, and did not listen to you at all. Is that true?
They think I was a bad kid. Not bad, but like I don't know.
Yeah, he was a normal kid and he was very fond of dogs. So he used to take our little Figaro, who was, what was he?
Mummy, that was at the age of 6, 7. He wants to know at 0. What was I like? How young was I when I first corrected you, for example? Or said something?
When you first?
When I said something back to you or dad?
I don't remember that young, but I do
3
remember
months.
at 5 years you were in Cathedral, the small school here, Malabar Hill.
Yes.
And you did a show or a concert, what you call the Emperor's New Clothes.
Emperor's New Clothes. Yes, that was a school play. Correct.
Do you remember?
Yes.
And
I played
I
the
met
swindler.
the principal afterwards. I forget her name, and she said
This is Banerjee.
she was never able to do the same concert again the way you did it. That's all I know. When you were 5 years
They say
old.
that, Mummy, they say that to all the kids' parents, to make you feel special.
Okay.
I say it to people who I work with that
Very
you were the
good.
best. I told Silvery every day that fabulous the boss and all that.
Yeah, my
Okay,
ego, Auntie,
then-
is at an all-time high. Now I know none of it is real.
He was must be acting from day one when he was born.
Oh, wow. Always? He was always into acting,
Yeah.
is it?
Always acting.
Remember how I used to use your lipstick and wear your clothes and tell them all that now?
I don't remember all that.
I'm kidding,
So,
Silvery.
Auntie, Okay, Arti, was Cyrus in a lot of like school plays and all? Like you already said, he was in that the
Yes,
Emperor's
yes.
Clothes
He always was part of the school plays
Debates.
and dramas and
Yeah.
everything.
So that's a famous fairy tale, whatever, Emperor's New Clothes, where we play
Yeah.
the swindlers, me and this kid called Rohan. And
Yeah.
the swindlers, basically, they get caught in the end because they make the emperor wear nothing.
Yeah,
That's
correct.
I don't know if you remember the story.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So we were most upset. Why we remember that is because following the story, the kid Vayu, I lost touch with all these boys, Vayu was supposed to be nude. And we're very angry that at the end he's wearing this bodysuit which is like yellow, as you can imagine. No? That's my memory of that. I was very angry, they were arguing. But he should be Nanga.
Yeah.
Because that's what it says in the script.
Oh, okay.
But from there, theatre
as a
has lied
kid,
to us.
As a kid, you don't realize that you can't show
Yeah.
kids naked on stage. It's
And
not
listen,
cool.
we always imagine if you had read that when you were that young in the class collective, everyone starts laughing. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
of
like a
course.
great moment for the class.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
emperor thinks he's wearing something. The whole thing is they swindled him. Mom,
Yeah.
sorry, this is your show, not about the emperor.
So actually, Cyrus, even I was in debates and all through my school life.
So bring your mom on. Let's do
Next
a double.
time. Let's do it next time.
I know.
But yeah, that's quite. We have a few things in common. Okay, ma'am. One more thing. When did you realize? I know it's. I'm going to be jumping back and forth through Cyrus's life quite a bit. When did you realize that Cyrus could speak really well and he could be a great orator in his life?
I think I used to correct my mother's conversation from time to time. I still do, but now she doesn't listen
What?
to me anymore.
You used to correct your mother's grammar.
At the age
now?
of 1, I was like a genius. I'd be like,
What?
Mom, there's a full stop after that sentence. And things like that.
What do you say?
Mommy, correct
I
me if
can't
I'm
wait.
wrong, please.
It sounds like hello. It sounds like it's his day instead of Mother's Day.
Exactly, Auntie. That does.
Yeah. So why not carry on with him?
Note to self, don't hijack Mother's Day from your own mother. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So, ma'am, when did you realize that Cyrus could talk really well and he could be a great orator?
My goodness. I don't know. At a very young age, because at a very young age, he wouldn't stop talking. I would tell him, I'll give you 10
Everyone who
bucks.
stops
if you-
talking. Sorry, go on.
I would tell him that I would give you 10 bucks if you stop talking.
10 bucks? 50 paisa. I remember clearly. I got a lot of that, Silvery. People used to tell me, I'll give you 1 rupee, I'll give you 50 paisa. Shut up.
Shut
that
up.
used to happen in my
Wow.
house and their friends. I know one guy, Darayas, very sweet guy, babysat me once and he also said, how much money do you want not to talk? Yeah.
Ah.
So
It's
I
like your
must have
first
talked a
job.
lot.
It's almost like a first job. Your first job is not talking.
Yeah.
And then you earn every time.
That's the only thing I can do, actually. How do I make any money? I'm quite useless otherwise. Yeah. Mommy, that
Alright.
was very mean of you killing my confidence like that. Now saying 1 rupee to keep quiet. Do you feel bad?
Yeah.
And stop taking your phone in the middle. Whose phone is ringing? Out of
No,
the two
sorry,
of you?
sorry. There's AC repair work going on right next to me. And it was one of those guys' phones. 1 second.
Mommy, this is part of the whole show. Huh? What happens live. That's what we really enjoy about it. Huh?
All right, ma'am, next one. This is interesting. I don't know if you. How
First
much
ma'am,
you
then
will answer.
auntie. Why didn't you just call her Ollie?
What?
Because you're also an adult now.
Okay, okay.
No,
I'll call her ma'am.
He can't call you
Olivia
Ollie.
ma'am will do.
But why can't he call you Ollie?
Just
I mean,
stop it.
What's wrong with
Yeah,
Ollie?
call
I
him
told
ma'am,
you
no?
I'll give you 100 bucks to keep quiet just now.
But they're paying me more to talk. Then come on, mom. I'm a businessman. You'll have to raise the ante. Or
What's
they
the
don't.
next thing?
Give me your best price, mom. I'll keep quiet. Give me your best price.
Silverine, don't listen to him. Chalo.
All right, next one, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is again.
Silvery, if she gets angry,
No, not at
you
all.
go back to your life. Once you press, shut the PC. But what happens to me? I have to face her. Huh?
Okay. Did you know any of?
Nothing. As if he's trying to say he's scared of me. Imagine
Very
that.
scared.
He scares us all here.
Very scared. Huh?
Sure, I can imagine. Okay, next one, ma'am. Did you know any of Cyrus's girlfriends as a kid,
Oh, dear.
or
As a
did Cyrus
kid?
have
I mean,
any?
as a teenager, I don't
As a
think.
teenager, did Cyrus have any girlfriends, and did you know them?
Do you remember the girls?
Yeah, 1 or 2. I can't remember just now. 3 or 4, maybe. College.
1 or 2 or 3 or 4?
No, you should come home
No,
and
he
all. We
had
are a very
these,
liberal family, so she can't
Okay,
complain
wow.
about
We
that.
had the girls in school and some in college come over to our house and all that. So it was not like girlfriend.
I used to call them for auditions
They would come.
for Emperor's New Clothes.
Wow.
Oh, mommy,
Okay.
you please talk, others I'll keep talking in the background.
No, but you're talking in between when I don't even get a chance to
It
complete
all,
my
it's
sentence.
the upbringing. You should have stopped me talking with that 50 paisa long ago.
Really.
But now answers question. So do you remember any single
I
girl?
said that the girls used to come and we would all talk and have lunch together and all that. So it was nice when
I
we
was
had
I
these
was very
girls
open, and
coming.
you're a very open mom, so there was no problem there. I don't remember any problem with girls.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, one more thing, ma'am.
Yes.
So this is a common thing that I'm sure Cyrus gets all the time. We get it in comments very often also. Do you ever have a problem following what Cyrus is saying because he speaks so fast?
All the time. Mummy,
Do you what?
she didn't get you. Talk slowly, Silvery.
I know. Ma'am, do you ever find it difficult to follow what Cyrus is saying because he talks so fast?
Yes. I
Yeah.
do sometimes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, her biggest
Fair enough.
grouse is
enough.
Silvery. Her
Yeah.
biggest
Yeah.
grouse is, ask her right now. I mean, she's listening to us. So
Yeah.
is that I talk and then I don't wait to see if she's listened. I mean, understood. Especially if I'm asking for something like, will you
Yeah.
buy a deodorant or something? I say it and move, and she's like, what? And then when I come back and say, where's the deodorant? She said, I told you I didn't hear what you said. That happens like 50% of the time. Yeah.
Okay. My mother tells me to talk slowly.
No,
but
no.
nobody.
In his case, hello, Silverine.
Let him
Yes, ma'am.
let her
In
complain.
his case, he's talking and walking out of the door. So I don't know what he said.
Baba, it's all back to Emperor's New.
He should have that much respect or
Yeah.
manners
It's
to stand in and tell me what he's saying.
who's responsible?
And then after
But
he
who's
goes
responsible
out,
for that? Who?
he
That
expects
that
me
was
to
whose
have
job?
heard what he said,
The,
but he's out of the door.
But I'll tell you, Silvery, in my defense,
Yeah.
because of Emperor's New Clothes and all the theatre I did after that, I always, I take an exit.
Hmm.
I deliver my line and I take an exit.
Okay,
I mean,
done.
which is actors standing there on stage all day doing nothing. So I do my line, I make my point and I exit. And then there's little music in the background. So I don't know why mom is complaining.
And even now at this age, he treats me really like that only. He hasn't changed. I have slowed down now. If you know my age. So
49, yeah.
he doesn't stay there and say, "Oh, my mom couldn't have heard," or anything
But Mummy,
like
on
that.
the other
There's
hand,
nothing. It's
I'm training you to get your senses back in
Yes.
that acute position.
correct.
Because you're always on the ball with me because I'm
At
fast.
79, you're training me.
Why not?
So
Are you the human being is
I'm
capable
your
of
son, or you're my
Silvery-
mother, or I'm your mother.
Silvery has an AC repair man who's 91, who's just outside the frame. That guy can't even climb to the AC, but he's doing it because the mind is stronger than the body, and he will repair the
Yeah.
AC 15 minutes longer than a normal person, but he's doing it.
Correct.
So this is a
That's
gift.
why I do all your work, no?
What work, Mummy? I don't do any work. What work will you do of mine?
All right, yeah.
We are exposed to a family of liars. This is all going on.
Yeah. Starting with you. The biggest.
Okay, so the point is that I talk too fast, and you're very irritated about it. So let's plan. What would be a right pace?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tell me the pace that you want me to talk at. Mother,
You
what are you
you
doing?
should think of the other person, not only of yourself, and whether you're talking to me or you're talking to
What if
somebody
it's
younger.
what if it's
According to that, you should know how to talk.
fair enough? But what if it's 7 people and each one is of a different age? Then how do I handle the situation?
Yeah, more or less, you should know.
What do you mean? Because one I have to talk fast, one I have to talk slow, one I have
Young or old or middle-aged or what.
so I have to run an average. You're saying? Or mom,
Yeah,
are you there or not?
I'm there. You can't see me.
Okay, so let's clarify this and finish it up. No, then people listening will be happy also. What is the pace you want me to talk at?
To who?
To you?
To me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Slowly.
Okay.
Okay. Let's talk slowly.
Silvery,
Yes.
this whole show is going to be a little longer.
Yeah.
And it's going to take a little while. Be patient.
Okay, sure.
Agla sawal.
All right. Agla sawal.
Hmm.
Who is more patient? As Cyrus asked, who is more patient, you or Cyrus?
What a question. Olive.
It's a terrible question because I'm so patient
That she is.
that I wish he had at least half of my genes.
No, that she is. I'll give her that. My mother is patient.
Okay,
and
so has Cyrus always been impatient? Has always been an impatient
Yes,
child?
always. Yeah,
Wow.
always.
Or do you agree, Cyrus?
Oh God, I have a time gene problem. I don't know how to stop. And the thing is, Silvery,
Yeah.
you're talking about podcast on time or shooter on time or whatever, which is fine. It's work. I have a problem with drinking in parties also. I used to drive people mad because it's like 8 o'clock and nobody's come and I just go berserk. And that's just fun. And the whole night of fun ahead of you. So 8 or 8:15 shouldn't matter to anybody else. And I've already lost my mind. My mother knows that. The drivers who come late, things like that, when there's nothing to do. So yeah, there's the fascist in me also. Mummy, where do I get that from? This madness for time? Because although you all are decent with time, none of you all are so crazy. Neither is my sister. How did I get like that? Who's responsible? Which uncle or aunt do I have to blame? Mom? I'll say it slowly. Which?
I don't know from where you got it.
Okay.
Okay.
I think
Any
we better be
idea
careful.
where?
My mother's tone is changing. Huh? Silvery, go back.
Okay,
to
slowly,
it, please.
slowly.
Just be careful. Yeah.
Sorry?
Okay, auntie's getting impatient.
Mummy,
No,
we-
not at all.
No, I'm just joking, auntie. Ma'am, I don't know.
Not at all.
I get confused.
Auntie ma'am, decide. Auntie ma'am,
Auntie,
both
ma'am.
don't work. Ma'am,
Okay,
you
ma'am,
sound like a
ma'am.
4G kid,
Ma'am,
which
ma'am.
is nice.
Hello, Silverine.
Yes, ma'am.
Mummy, you're freezing.
No,
Silvery?
the room looks quite warm. Don't worry.
But she's gone.
I know, she's frozen. Yes. She'll come back. Ma'am, just stay on call. You'll stabilize in like about
So you
15
might
seconds.
find me like that.
Mommy didn't hear that and the thing went for a toss. Can you say it again?
Hello?
Hi,
Yeah,
yes,
are we
ma'am.
on?
you're back.
Could
You're
you
back.
please repeat that, ma'am?
Could you repeat that? You went offline.
There you are back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying
Hmm.
that I taken the second vaccine this morning.
Mummy,
Oh.
So
that was
I'm
not the question.
feeling sleepy like right through the day.
Oh, I'm so sorry, ma'am, to make you do this today. Then
No, it's not your fault. It's the government's fault.
it is the government's fault.
Because
I
she
know.
went 3 times last week
Yeah.
and 3 times an old elderly lady and there's one much older than I think I told you all in the morning podcast
Yeah. correct.
were not given the vaccine. Senior citizens are just, it's all, I'm not blaming anyone in particular, but honestly, the whole situation should have been better
But
organized.
today I had a very good experience with Podar Hospital, very well organized,
Yeah.
no wasting time. And I must doff my hat to them because no crowding. They had people sitting, everything like that. It was really well organized. I went in at 9:10 and I was out by 9:40. The only reason I was there long is because of age. They kept me in for about
the side
25
effects.
minutes
Side effects.
after the vaccine.
Did they, Mummy, one big question. Did they speak to you slowly?
Very slowly, beautifully they spoke.
They were all well brought up?
Very well.
No complaints?
I can't say the same about you.
Mummy, again, who? The finger of suspicion is to point to whom for this? The mother and the father. As you know, dad is completely not well. That leaves you with the blame. How can I blame anybody but my own mother? I can't blame the watchman,
Okay.
although I did spend time with him for reasons I can't discuss on the show. But coming back to the vaccine, Mom,
Yeah.
there now.
What? I can't hear.
Can you hear or not?
No.
We'll do a quick sound check. Why can't you hear? Because of the vaccine? Hello?
Ma'am, can you hear us?
I can hear you.
Okay.
I think she's purposely on strike with me. Can you hear me, Mummy?
Your mouth is moving and then I can hear the words. So I don't know. There's a
There's a lag.
It's also a technique I developed when I was studying in the Fiji Islands. I can actually send my sound out after I complete the movement of my lips. So if that happens, it's
Okay.
also done by me naturally. Mom, you know all my talents.
Okay.
Now come
It's
on,
like-
tell them
it's-
how great I am, how talented, wonderful, nice, courteous,
But
gentle.
we are talking on Mother's Day, so why do you have to come in? Come on with your questions.
Okay.
Hey, who's impatient now? Mommy, what the hell? You said be patient. Be patient. I'm shouting in this
No,
phone guy.
because you're doing all the talking.
Huh.
I have one question for Cyrus now.
Huh.
Cyrus,
Okay.
what is your favorite dish that ma'am used to make when you were a kid?
The thing is, my wife is sitting
What
in the
is your-
background here, so these
Yeah.
are very controversial questions to ask me. But
What
let
is
me.
your
But-
favorite?
no,
What?
Ma'am, I've asked Cyrus what his favorite dish was that
What
you
is
used to
my-
make for him as a kid.
What is
When
my
he was a kid.
What is my favorite dish that you used to make? Actually, she's a very good cook. Growing up, there was lots of good stuff, and I just brought it up the other day. I don't want any trouble. I miss the souffles, for example. I'll come to the main dishes. I miss the souffles. I don't know if you guys had souffles in your life. It seems to have gone out of the menu in restaurants also. You don't see it that much pre-lockdown. So my mom used to make lots of these mango, orange, peach versions of souffles, and I suddenly got a recall of that. Jelly and custard, all these caramel
Yeah.
custard. All these things that now we don't have anymore. I saw the dessert part I missed totally. We still have some of the food and she taught the cooks and also a lot of that style is still there. But yeah.
Is
I think-
souffle like a Parsi thing? Parsi
No,
house thing?
souffle is French, bro. It's a dessert.
Okay.
I'll
I know
explain it to
souffles.
you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And then they have a crust below. It's like a tarty thing with a crust below and all that. Now, Mom, are you still there or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh.
Well,
So
you can't see me.
why can't we have the souffles? Why are the souffles not being made? Why am I treated like a beggar in my own house? Why are there no souffles?
You eat too much of dessert. Finish the what you call. So I'm trying to keep you within your space.
My body mass index, BMI,
Yeah.
so that I fit on radio and podcast.
Too much.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Too much sugar.
Too much.
Ma'am,
sugar.
Cyrus is so fit now. That's fine. He can eat a little bit of souffle. I'm sure he's earned it.
Mummy, am I fit or not? I'm always without a shirt. You know.
Yeah.
Have you seen my legs? Now I show you my striations. Mummy,
Yeah.
what are you laughing at? You're watching TV. She's watching TV. She's bored of us. When she's looking up, the TV's up. The TV's up in her room. It's slightly high.
Hello,
That's
No,
like
no,
you.
Don't,
I got you.
That's
The
like
TV
you, Cyrus. That's like you. You
TV
also
is
watch
not
cricket.
on. Don't worry. TV is not
I
on.
get distracted, Sylvie, because those guys talk to me.
I get it.
Gopal will walk in, and because anyone in front of a com just looks like a guy doing some work. And nobody pays attention that it's a show.
No, I'm talking about you watching cricket while recording the podcast. That is
We were winning a test match. What a test match that was, at Brisbane Test. That particular day, I mean, you should have been fined if you didn't watch. That's what I felt. Mom, we want to know more about you. So just please listen to every question. He will speak slowly if necessary.
Yes, ma'am.
Food that I like. So egg curry rice, mutton curry rice, prawn curry rice, all the curry rices my mom will make nice, and in the old days, nice and spicy, very yummy.
I know you're a big fan of biryani, right?
We don't make a good biryani, frankly. We bring it from outside. Once Kunal came into our life, that's what one of his staple diets. So the Delhi Darbar, which is now Jafar Bhai, they split. Those are the best. But big fan of the Parsi food, dhansak, dandar patia, sali boti, all the dals in the world, all that. So I grew up with all that food. Continental food, a lot of baked dishes, which other people like more than me, frankly. But I'm not that big on baked dishes as a concept. Did I leave out anything, Mummy? Akuri. Very good akuri we used to make in the morning. Yeah, but now mom doesn't work that hard. Now she enjoys her life and I do everything. During the lockdown, I cleaned her room and all that so that she could, relax and watch her television. Remember, Mummy, during lockdown, how I cleaned the room?
How you what?
How I cleaned the room during lockdown so that you could relax and watch TV.
You would clean the rooms.
Yes, Mummy, I would clean your room.
No.
That's
Ma'am is not buying you, Cyrus.
sorry, that's a new one on me.
I told you, Mom, you worked so hard for us and we value you so much. Put your legs up and watch the television. And I went on my knees and I did the whole saaf safai of the zameen and the fans and everything.
Wow.
Thanks, Mom.
Ma'am, is Cyrus making that up?
Making it up? Absolutely. Has he ever held a jaru in his hand? Has he ever done any work?
Mummy, how can you say that?
My God.
During lockdown, I mean, I was a one-man army.
Domestic work is zero.
Zero? Mummy, just yesterday, there was a stain on the dining table and I was the one who removed it.
Oh dear.
And then there was, when the kawa potty fell on Mary, I removed that. That's also domestic work.
So what is that? Cleaning the house?
Well, yeah. That's all part of the domestic
work. Dog on the table.
I cleaned that, but Silvery, nobody bothered to clean it. I cleaned it.
Okay.
Sorry. So
All
we
right.
won't tell the maids to do their work. We'll ask you to do.
I think so. Give me an apron and off I go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. Next question. Let's go on to the next question.
Yep.
Ma'am, did you ever have trouble feeding Cyrus something he did not want to eat? Like, say, vegetables or something that he was against?
He hated vegetables. He wouldn't touch it. And
Fish?
he used to eat. Where's he gone?
I'm here.
He used to eat. I'm talking to Silverine. Why are you coming up?
It's not Silverine. It's Silvery.
Okay.
He's not the cowboy Silverine from Max Brand
And
novels.
he used to eat fish in the beginning, but then suddenly now he won't let me eat it or have the fish on the same table where he's eating.
Good point. What she says is correct, Silvery. I'll just point out to anyone listening so it doesn't sound so terrible.
Yeah.
I don't like that curry fish that they make, the boiled fish, because that really smells. So I request them to eat it when I'm not there. In the old days, I used to travel a lot. Now we're all stuck together. So once that fish smell happens, it's worse than your neighbors. You just can't get rid of them. It's just a horrible smell. But mom doesn't care about me anymore. Now her life is, more about her friends. Well, they are. And so, the fish is eaten blatantly and I just puke on the side. And then I clean up my own puke because, as mom pointed out, I work hard. in the house.
All right, sure. Next one, ma'am. Did you ever think that Cyrus? What do you think of Kunal and Cyrus's friendship?
I told her he shouldn't come along.
Kunal and Cyrus.
What do you think of
Kunal
Kunal
is-
and Cyrus's friendship?
She hates Kunal. She hates Kunal. Kunal is just.
I love Kunal. I treat him as an elder son.
Of course, elder.
And
Mummy,
he's
he's
very-
coughing and.
He's very
No,
kind,
falling
and,
and,
very
you know what I mean?
kind and generous guy.
And
I like him very much. Yes.
You're the only person I've ever met who said that. Only person. Even.
So, ma'am, did you ever think that Cyrus won't get a girl because he's always hanging around with Kunal?
No, but I always had girls around also. It's Kunal who didn't have any girls.
Oh, okay.
No.
Kunal would.
Kunal he met 20 years ago. Before that, he had girls.
My wife in the background is saying all your girls left because of Kunal.
Yeah, okay. Cool.
Oh, now she's saying
Okay.
stayed before. Make up your mind. She's on medication. Mom is just taking a vaccine. People listening. Only me and Sylvia of sound mind. We're doing what we can. Yeah.
All right, sure.
Bas.
Mommy, what's so great
Again,
about
all
Kunal?
about
He
yourself.
can't even tie his own shoelace because of the stomach. And this is what you say. Tell me honestly. The guy-
Yes, I say repeat it again if you
But
want.
Mommy, he's always at a house. After some time,
Yes.
don't you think? Don't you ever feel, oh God, not
I
again?
like him very much. He's a gentle guy.
Yeah.
Gentle. He's like the baby elephant.
Gentle guy. Very kind.
Okay, my wife is now getting
know
involved
what
from
you're
behind.
saying.
I'm saying baby elephant and she's saying, and you're like a baby. Okay, whatever sense that makes. What kind of baby, human baby and a baby elephant are pals, firstly? And then why is the baby elephant in the baby's house all the time and interfering with the baby's love life and where the baby's meeting other female babies to play with? Why is that baby
Because
elephant hanging around,
enjoy
coughing and
his
smoking and
company-
farting in the
We
background? Why?
enjoy his company so much.
What does he do? He's a
We
circus
enjoy his
performer.
company
The
so
man does
much. We
nothing.
want him to be there all the time.
He's the most slow, panderous person you ever met. He's like, I sometimes have to poke him to see if he's alive. I don't know what you're saying. There's too much praise, Mommy. Do not lie like this.
Yeah.
God is watching us. God is watching us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a God?
Yeah, you're my God.
You Where's your God?
Where's
All
our
right.
God, Mummy? Look at the people dying left, right, and center. If anybody has a direct line, please contact. Sylvie, don't be dismayed.
All right.
Carry on.
No, not at all. All right, next one, ma'am. Ma'am, did you ever see Cyrus on his shows? Like, did you ever see him on MTV Bakra? Or have you ever seen him on The Week That Wasn't, his TV show?
She watches.
On-
She's our biggest fan.
Yes.
That's why she likes Kunal.
I watch all his shows.
You watch
I
them
watch
regularly,
all
ma'am?
his shows.
Oh, wow.
Not all
whether
MTV
it's,
shows, Mummy. Don't talk rubbish.
From MTV
You-
Times.
You didn't
I
watch
watched
every
all
MTV
his
show. There
shows.
was so many shows we did, and some of them made no sense. But you do watch A Week That Wasn't, and Bakra.
I
She's
like
watched
the
quite a
week
bit.
that wasn't.
She,
I enjoyed the week that wasn't.
you know,
Yes.
Silvery, the first time I did a show for MTV
Yeah.
back in '96.
Nehru, come here.
She's now talking to my dog Mary. Mummy, it's a live show. You can't talk to the dog in the middle. People will
Okay.
wonder whether the vaccine is having side effects, and then I have to talk to people. So we did this show.
Must be having on you.
So we did this show called MTV U. It was the first show I did with MTV, and we shot all across Delhi JNU campus and all that. And so we sat together because it was appointment viewing in those days in the late '90s. So there was like 7 o'clock or whatever. And that, do you remember that day, Mummy? We all sat like a family in the hall and put on the first show that I did, etc. MTV U, and you watched it, or you won't remember.
Yeah.
Do you remember
Maybe, I don't know.
the university show?
I don't remember today. No.
Okay, today
we did watch
it's
your
because of that COVID, that vaccine
Okay.
thing. It's possible.
Correct. Yeah.
What's my name,
You
Mom?
have all the answers.
What's my name? Mummy, what's my name? Mummy? Silvery, I think she's getting marginally irritated. You better take over fast.
Okay, ma'am. Next is like a series of rapid fire questions for Cyrus and for you, ma'am.
Was there?
So you both will take turns in answering the same question. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You basically have to. So I'm going to ask you questions of what you know about the other person. Okay. So I'm going to ask you, say, ma'am, what is Cyrus's favorite color? And Cyrus will have to answer, what is your favorite color? And then we cross check as to who's correct and who's not.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with that. Let's start with favorite color. Ma'am, what do you think Cyrus's favorite color is?
Black.
Black. Okay. Cyrus, is that correct?
No.
What is your favorite color?
Red.
Okay. Yeah, I think the
red
number
all
of
the time.
t-shirts you have should.
Mommy, where do you get black from? Except for my tongue, nothing is black.
Okay.
Mom,
Ma'am,
that's horrible. There are mother who's lived with her own son for 49 years. Most mothers get their own homes by the age of 49. You're with your son all these years together and you still don't know favorite color. Stop looking at the TV. God,
all right.
Mom.
So you're wrong. Ma'am,
So you have to say what was mine then.
Yeah, your favorite is blue.
is that right, ma'am?
No, mine is red.
You just changed it just because this is one-upmanship at its worst. A mother and son playing competitively. You changed it on the spot. You hesitated. I have the footage. I saw, and when my mom lies, Silvery, or is
Yeah.
telling a half truth, her mouth goes into a curl. Like that. She does that. And so I know exactly. And that exactly happened because when I said blue, she didn't want to admit it. So she quickly went to red. There's no red. Mom never wears anything red. I can't remember red. But what red? My wife
Huh?
in the background, I wish I had a mic there, seeing her red
Yeah.
lipstick. She wears red lipstick. But that doesn't count. Mummy, say swear you like red. I want you to swear.
Next question.
Okay.
Please put the points down, scorer. Brocha 1,
Yes.
Mother Brocha 0.
Sure.
Next.
Next one is, what is okay, Cyrus, you go first this time, and then ma'am will go second. What is ma'am's favorite food, Cyrus?
Favorite?
Food. Does
Food.
she have food like a
Fish.
particular
Uh,
fish is a favorite?
What?
some,
I can't hear.
what is your favorite food?
I've asked Cyrus, ma'am, what is your favorite food? And you will also
Okay.
answer in a minute or so. Cyrus,
Yeah.
what is ma'am's? You're saying fish.
Yeah,
Right?
fish.
Correct.
But like what preparation? Like fish curry, fish
Curry,
fry?
continental.
Fish
She likes
in
fish.
any way.
Fish in
Fish.
any way.
Yeah.
Machi,
Oh wow, that's lovely.
pasne machi, patrane machi, fried fish, curry fish, anything.
Alright.
Give me fish.
Yeah, and I hate fish and I don't want fish around except in the aquarium or free to swim across the world.
So
Ma'am, what is Cyrus's favorite food?
meat, and more meat.
I guess that's true. Yes, Cyrus.
Yeah, but do you want to? I think he wants to know what dish. Now, I also don't know what my favorite
Dish.
dish is anymore because of the corruption of eating from outside all the time. There's so many things.
Yeah.
It's a tough one. So we'll allow meat. Meat and fish is fair.
Meat is
It's damn tough.
I
Otherwise.
think steak he likes best.
Yeah, but that's not allowed by law, mummy. But the
Steak.
government of India says you should not do all this. So now I've given
That
it up.
is now, but long ago you used to
Long
order
ago, yeah,
steak
when
everywhere.
it was
we went.
allowed. Now it's not allowed, so we don't do this.
Yeah, so you can't.
Yeah,
Next.
now it's mostly vegetables for me and calcium pills and some homeopathy. Mummy gives me every day. I don't know what that is. 4 small white drops. Because of that, I've been very
For
healthy.
that you'll get fish.
And I wish the government of India would allow her to join the Dr. Harshavardhan panel and contribute those 4 white drops to every Indian citizen across the length and breadth of our great country. Those 4 white drops will keep you happy, hale, and hearty, and you like fish as well at the end of it.
Fair enough.
Next question,
All right.
please.
Ma'am, what is Cyrus's favorite song?
That's tough. But she can tell you what kind of music I like for
That's
sure.
probably a tough one. Okay, sure. Ma'am,
He
what
has
kind of
many favorite songs.
okay, what kind of music
He
does
has
he like?
many favorite
And-
songs.
Any two, then, if you can think of, or any one also would be fair.
Come on, say one song that I like. Ma'am, auntie, stroke, auntie, ma'am.
Yes.
How can you not know one song I like? I sit and sing in your room all the time because my wife won't let me sing down.
Can't remember. Yeah.
But just 2 mornings back, I sang in your room, sitting there
I know.
because my wife and my daughter and my son don't
I
want
can't,
to hear
it's
me
not
sing.
coming in my
Because
mind.
they treat me like a leper. They're not my fan. My wife is shouting, "We are not your fans." And I think some spit hit the back of my neck also. Which
I
Then-
can't remember it. I also like the song, but it's gone off my mind.
I mean, the vaccine is
At the
very
moment.
strange. You can't remember the song. Okay, name the groups. Name the king. Name something. What does your son like?
You like Everly Brothers, you like?
Okay, that's something.
And
Chalo.
the Beatles.
Okay.
Beatles.
that's good.
Chalo. If you
That's
survived.
Beatles.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Is that fair to say, Cyrus?
Yeah, all this is correct. But I'm singing
Yeah.
every day. So I'm a little worried now that we don't need to give her the COVID vaccine. I have to give her something else. Mommy, this is like Alzheimer's. That was scaring me. Why are you not remembering? You don't mention the king. I played a whole list of the King songs. I played your whole country retrospective and sang along. What
Oh,
the
yeah.
hell is going
I
on?
forget.
Don't let me come there, mummy. Don't let me come there. Huh.
Oh, how sad. I forget it.
Okay,
Yeah.
Cyrus, same question.
But she
about
likes a lot of
ma'am.
the music I like also.
Okay.
So we share musical taste. That's why I like to sing in her room because I know she enjoys the songs.
But what is her favorite song, do you think?
Same. She likes
Nice.
country music. She likes
Okay.
Jim Reeves. She likes Elvis. She likes the oldies, the 50s, the 60s, the 40s. One of my last 2-3 years, I've been singing a lot of Lily, the musical. She likes that.
You guys were never into like old Bollywood music and all.
Bollywood music, they don't know too much. I have a little bit of understanding and I play it because I also know that some of the tunes are the same, borrowed straight from, say, the Beatles, for example.
Okay.
But no, not. We had Hathi Mera Sathi, we had that one LP growing up.
Okay.
So, Chal 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 Mera Hathi, I don't know if you know these songs. They're again
It's-
way past your prime.
No, I remember the song. Chal, chal, chal,
So
Mera
we had
Hathi.
that one LP I had, which I
Okay.
used to play.
Okay. So can we get the two of you to do like a small duet
Mummy, can you sing a small duet?
with Cyrus and you, ma'am?
What will you sing?
Which one?
Sing a song that you know the words of. Do you remember Down in the Valley? Okay, or you say whatever
Yeah.
song.
Oh, why not sing Wise Men Say?
Okay, come on. Wise men
Ron Elvis Presley
say.
song.
I've already started
Wise
singing.
Men say.
Say only fools.
Yeah.
Come on, sing, Mummy,
You said
properly.
sing.
Let's start
Only
again. This is now driving me mad.
fools
1, 2, 3. Wise men say only fools rush in. Very good. But I can help falling in love
with
with you.
Not you, huh?
Ah, okay,
All right,
Mommy.
that was lovely. That was amazing. Thank you. That was great. All right. Moving on. Next is favorite movie, ma'am. What do you think
Oh.
Cyrus's favorite movie is?
Okay, these are very tough questions because unless you're a Miss India, you don't mug up one thing and go.
I know,
but
true,
if she can
but
say anything
ma'am
that I
will at
like,
least know anything you're fond of. Yeah, anything you're
I'll
fond
tell you
of.
what was my greatest film growing up. That I don't know if she'll remember, but your brother took me to see on his bike to Strand Cinema. I went to see it twice. Yul Brynner is in the lead. Steve McQueen, Charles Bronson, Robert Wagner.
The Seven.
Yeah, come on.
The Seven.
What about the Seven?
Magnificent Seven.
Yeah!
Wow.
Wise men say. Very
Wow,
good,
you
very good.
saw Magnificent Seven in the theaters.
The old version, huh? It's 1960.
Yeah, the old one. Correct.
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm that old. But they would see like McKenna's Gold. There were a few movies that would keep coming back. English
Oh.
movies, even Hindi movies actually, like a Sholay. So there was a rerun phenomenon even then before they started making films again.
Like after every few years, they would
Yeah,
Sholay
after
would
a
come
few
back.
years. Yeah,
yeah.
so I saw it in
Correct.
the 80s at some point, and it was a 1960 film.
Wow.
I love that movie. I can quote from the film.
Okay,
I
wow.
like Mummy. Which is your favorite film? Paul Newman films.
Chariots of Fire.
Chariots of Fire. Yeah, she loved that film. But who doesn't like Chariots of Fire?
Beautiful movie.
Yeah, cool.
Have you
Beautiful.
seen Chariots of Fire,
Beautiful.
Silvery?
I'm not. What is Chariots of Fire? I'm so sorry.
Dang, dang. Mummy, sing do the theme song with me again to irritate Silvery. Tang 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 tang. Mummy, you're not singing. Tang 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 tang.
Yeah.
Come
Right.
on, Mom, run. Tang 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 tang.
If
tang,
I run,
tang.
this whole thing will fall down.
Oh, then don't run.
I'm holding it with two hands.
Okay, then stay where you are because it's not a baton. It's a something
Baton,
iPad.
yeah.
Yeah. So Chariots of Fire, lovely story. Great.
All right.
Next.
Thank God
Okay.
she didn't-
Have we finished?
No, now
Uh,
we take a break, in fact, and then we'll come back and do 20 minutes more.
Oh,
Should we
yeah,
take a break?
let's take a break.
Okay,
There are some
break.
cred ads again, Cyrus.
Don't take a break. I don't know then how to put this
You
back.
don't have to do anything. You just run on the spot to the song, Chariots of Fire theme song, while I do an ad. Okay, stay where you are. I'm not someone who believes in credit, but these days I find myself using my credit card more and more. Because if I pay my credit card bills on cred, I get amazing rewards and cashbacks. And honestly, this is the kind of validation I was waiting for in my life.
Just download
Cred. What a fabulous episode, Mummy. Thank you so much, but lots to go. Next,
All right.
we're back after the break apparently. And
We're back after the break. I don't have too many questions, so pretty soon we'll be going to the AMAs.
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one second. I'll help you because
Yes, please.
maybe you're embarrassed to ask her. Mummy, what is the best one or two best qualities of your son and two worst qualities? And your time starts now. And can we have your face?
Best qualities.
Yeah. Okay, if that's taking long, worst qualities.
Worst qualities.
She's gone straight to worst, Silvery. What kind of mother? What do you want to improve? If you had to, whatever, your son had to be whatever trained again or brought up or whatever, what are the things you would correct? Like impatience or
This impatience, very, very impatient person.
huh?
And
That's it. He's perfect otherwise.
what else?
Okay, fair enough. I'll take it.
Lots of things.
Lots of
That's
things.
fine. If you're struggling, you're struggling. I mean, you can't.
Yeah.
Something is like a masterpiece. What are you going to do? You can't just make up things, and there's no fault there. Fine. What are the best? What is his best quality? So just give one.
Best. Doing exercise.
What kind of quality is that, mummy? That's like a personal thing. What?
That's the thing you like to do best.
That's what I like to do best. I'm obsessive or whatever. That's got nothing to do with quality. What is the quality? Like how you said he's impatient. It could have been that he's very tolerant.
You like to work.
That I'm very generous. I give money to people. I hug a lot of people. What?
Yeah.
Huh.
Let's not get into
Ma'am
all
said that you like to work is a good quality.
I like to work. I hate to work, mom.
That's what ma'am just said.
I work because I have to. I don't think she knows her son at all.
Yeah, I don't think she knows you. Sorry, sir.
Are
I
you
don't
really
think
my
ma'am knows
mother?
you.
Who came back from the hospital? What did they give you, mom? Show me your shoulder. Okay. Chalo. That was an exercise in futility, but if you think of anything on the way, mommy, you can intercut whatever we are saying and say
Yeah.
that.
So I have another interesting question for ma'am. It goes, ma'am, what did you want Cyrus to do in his career?
That's a good question.
Did you want him to do something else other than what he's doing in
Yes.
comedy?
I can tell you.
That I can say. I had one. He had all his school life told me that I want to become a lawyer and I want to become a criminal lawyer. So I was so happy. I thought he would really do.
Because all
criminal
our
law.
relatives were criminals, mummy. I wanted to help my family, but
I thought you wanted to become a lawyer who was a criminal. A criminal
that
lawyer.
also.
Yeah.
But mummy, remember you used to say, I want one of you all to be a doctor. I remember that you were quite upset
I
that
never
neither of
said
us.
that.
You did. You wanted one of us to be a doctor. You forget. Kids don't forget.
No, I never said that.
It was the day I came back with F's in my report, and you said how sad. I wanted you to be a doctor, and then you realize I could not. I'd be more likely I'm a patient than a doctor.
Then you must know better.
I mean, I never lie. I'm not a liar. I make up, but I don't lie. They're two different things.
But I was going to say in your worst.
But I also told you I want to be an
Two
author.
worse
I
things.
remember telling you all these things. Weren't you listening? Oh, you're too busy doing your hair and makeup. What kind of mother is this? This is nonsense. I'm just kidding. Huh? She was a lovely mother. Go on, Silvery.
Okay, that's it. I don't really have that many questions.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, Silvery, did your mom beat you ever as a child?
Yeah, a lot, quite a lot.
So
Mother
I used to
beat
get the
me a lot.
slipper. Huh? I used to get the slipper.
I used to get the slipper also. Yeah,
She pick and throw.
and good aim. I've been hit by
Like
hanger.
Jadeja from mid-wicket boss. Tappa.
Yeah,
Bang,
exactly.
smack.
I've been hit
Never
by a
missed.
hanger. Have you gotten hanger?
Hanger also I've got. Belt also I've got.
Belt also I've
Hockey
got,
stick also
yes.
was thrown at me once.
Yeah, I remember once my mother got really pissed with my brother because there were two suitcases and one of them was supposed to be sent with our relatives to Agra before we went. Okay, my brother by mistake sent the wrong suitcase, and my mother did not have her clothes for the journey, so she just panicked and she started emptying the first suitcase into the bathroom. As to tell my brother, "Ab tu kar, tu saaf kar, main nahi janti, tu kar." So my mother was just like, she's got really angry about very small things.
Mom, you're not the only one. Don't feel bad.
Okay, ma'am, this is an interesting question. Who do you think between Cyrus's children is more like Cyrus and who is more like Aisha?
They're both like me, mommy.
From
Can't say just now.
okay,
But they're all boring answers. We want proper answers, all diplomatic replies. What do you think? If one child has got more of this personality than the other, just say so. What's the big deal?
I can't say just now. I don't know.
You give a time when you'll say we'll come back on the show.
Yeah, next time when you come, I'll come back on the show. I'll tell you.
Why can't you just commit to one? She's being diplomatic.
Okay, fair enough. Well, then one more question, then, ma'am. What was your reaction the first time you caught Cyrus drinking?
Oh,
Did that ever happen?
not initially.
Got Cyrus?
Drinking alcohol.
Drinking. Achha.
It's not, the question is slightly wrong. She had no problem with me drinking. It's when I was drinking too much regularly every Friday. There came a point when then she started getting
See,
really
we
upset.
used to have nothing against drink. I don't have anything against drinking, but over drinking is what I didn't like.
Over drinking. Okay, that's fair. That's totally
So
fair.
tell Silvery what you had to witness as a mother when the boy would come home.
But he used to come home at 2 or 3 in the mornings singing all day, all night, Mary Ann, and I had to open the door.
Let's do it together. All day, all night, Marianne. Come on, Mom. All day, all night, shifting sand.
So you're saying you would enter the house.
Y'all carry on, I'm singing.
Sorry?
You would enter the house at 2-3 in the morning singing this song like
Yeah.
with so much energy.
More than that, I would sing opera. I would sing all kinds of things. I would take all my clothes off. Once I went onto the dining table apparently and completely naked, Starkers singing.
Wait, Meru.
And all the lights and fans would be on. Right, Mom?
Yes.
Remember how you got me and Kunal out of jail?
What?
Once you had to come and pay the bail money. Mummy, do you remember?
I don't know what you all did. I forget.
Yeah, but-
Accident? That was?
No, drunk driving. But do you remember how embarrassed Kunal was? He didn't come home for 2 weeks after that because he was too ashamed to.
No, that's all I
Yeah.
don't remember.
But my mother came at 3 in the morning with the bail money, exact, in change, $905.
Wow.
905. They put $5 extra for I don't know what. Maybe
That's
for
so
repair
cheap
work in
though.
the station.
$900 for
But this
being
is
arrested.
1995 somewhere there.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
and the police were kinder, not badly behaved like they are now during lockdown.
Yeah.
So my mother had to tolerate a lot of stuff. My dad would walk the dog in the morning and find my Elvis tie on somebody's car mirror. So obviously I've been all over the lane. Then there would be all kinds of other stories which she had to put up with. And she's bailed me out money-wise also a couple of times. I've been stuck in places and both parents came to pay because I don't know, I abandoned my friends and I was with some other group and then suddenly there's a big bill. Mom, do you remember that? I think it was at 3 flights up. You wouldn't know the name of the place, but you came there anyway.
Okay.
At Regal. Huh.
One final question for ma'am.
Silvery, your dog, my dog?
This
Oh, no,
dog
no,
is
your dog,
barking.
your dog.
Mommy, tell Mary not to talk. Because I said Mary Ann, she got up.
Mary,
Yeah. Interview Mary for 2 minutes while we think of what to do with the show.
No, I got. We have one more question, and then we
Why
can
you
let
should,
ma'am
will
go.
you stop covering the
So
camera,
much.
Mommy? You're covering the camera. Your hand is on the camera.
yeah.
Why are you covering the camera? Mommy, cred will pull out.
Where?
We can't do this. Don't cover the camera. Sorry.
Okay. This was just one final question for ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, once Cyrus got married, did you think he was going to change? Did you think he was ever going to change
No,
character
no,
as a
no.
person?
No, never.
No, you never expected him to change at all.
No, never.
Okay, wow.
There's a big difference. Before I got married, I used to use my own bathroom. Now, after I got married and have kids, I have to use her bathroom all the time. So that's one big difference for sure. Mummy, isn't
Alright.
that true? Using the bathroom has brought us closer.
Correct.
All right, that's the end of ma'am segment. If you can please close off with another small duet, that would be great.
They want.
Duet.
What will you sing for us, Mom? I can't call you Olivia. They'll be horrified. Mummy, what are you thinking about? Just sing a damn song.
Song to sing. In fact, I'd like to say a quotation for mothers,
Oh God, no.
which says, which goes like this:
Oh, Mom,
that
please.
a mother can
Don't-
take
my audience-
anybody's place.
They'll start beating each other up.
Let ma'am at
Okay,
least say,
finish
no,
it.
we
A
can't.
mother
yeah.
can take anybody's place, but no one can take the place of a mother. And this is for all the mothers around the world, in India and anywhere else.
Have you seen the movie Birdcage? Where
Oh, lovely.
Robin Williams won an Oscar, or the other one, Nathan Lane won the Oscar. I can't remember who. They took the place of the mother. It can be done. I believe it can be done.
Okay, so
No one
bye
can
for
take your
now.
place, but generals, there are lots of mothers whose places can be taken.
Okay.
What about when people divorce and then the next mother comes in? So in a sense, they've taken the place, right? Mom, say I told you to do it would have been a better idea. You don't listen to me.
Okay,
Shall we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Okay, let's do it.
no, nothing more. Chalo.
Why? Twinkle Twinkle.
One last thing.
You should
Just
put
to
me to
round this
sleep.
off. Yeah.
I'm talking about my
What?
20s.
What's he saying?
Sing Twinkle Twinkle. 1, 2, 3.
No, definitely not.
Twinkle. It's Mozart, Mummy. Mozart composed it. Come on, ready? Twinkle. Mummy, sing. Mummy, you're acting like you're punished. You're on an easygoing,
Yeah,
flexible
okay.
podcast.
Bye for now.
No, bye. The show's not over. Oh, see what
It's
I'm
not
dealing with?
over.
You say I'm impatient.
It's
Not
fine,
easy,
it's fine.
man. What about
Yeah,
Sun's Day? What are we going to
Okay.
get Sun's Day?
Yeah.
Let me tell you our problem.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. If you're not following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank our sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Siet, TheWholeTruthFoods.com, and PayPal. We really do appreciate the support. On Cyrus Says, we discussed quite a bit about the local assembly elections this month. Vasanti Hariprakash was there to talk about the West Bengal elections, and then we also spoke to Pradeep Gupta, a psephologist and author. He's the chairman and MD of Access My India. Do definitely check that episode out. Great conversation. Tune into This Round Is On Me, where Gauri Devi Dayal caught up on the latest trends in the PR industry with Archana Jain from PR Pundit. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor spoke to Anandita Chatterjee. She's the founder of Travel Chatter. She's been a marketer with some large firms and has traveled to 67 countries so far. It was a RuPaul Drag Race fan club on KBCD where Farhad and Sunetru discussed the show's best moments and talents. Amber Rana was joined by celebrity fitness trainer Shivoham on New Year Kanun to discuss fitness laws and regulations in India. They talk about the laws and infrastructure that exist to protect gyms, trainers, and also consumers in the fitness industry. And on the note with Maruk Inayat, we have clinical psychologist and friend of the network, Sonali Gupta. She talks about ongoing mental health issues like survivor's guilt, coping with anxiety around the pandemic, and doom scrolling. And with that, let me get you back to your show.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
Let's go to the emails.
AMAs. Mummy, now this is nothing that you have to be worried about. It's are people writing in and we just answer it, okay?
Yep.
And you haven't mentioned Giselle once and she watches the podcast. You should say something about your favorite child. Mummy.
What?
You have not mentioned Giselle.
Yeah, what?
So say something about my sister too, Silvery. They want to know about the family.
I wasn't asked, so how can I say?
What was Cyrus's sister like?
Totally opposite him.
Yeah, male, female. Other than that, she was busy with swimming. So what was her personality like?
Thereafter, she left in a very nice personality.
Well brought up.
Kind, gentle. Well brought up.
Well mannered.
Kind, gentle, caring, even up till now.
Patient. Spoke softly.
Yes.
Didn't come in a way demanding things. So who's your preferred child? Cyrus or Giselle? Who's your favorite?
Both.
But if you had to choose Sophie's choice, you could save only one child's life. Whose life would you choose and why?
I'd save my life.
No, that's not the question. You can't just challenge the invigilator. Okay, your question
You can't just ask.
It's a very clear question, Olivia. It's a very clear question. Between your son and your daughter, you have to save one and let one go. Now you have to make this. It's called Sophie's choice based on that famous incident. So now you've got to just do the same thing.
Yeah.
So what is Olivia's choice?
No choice.
No, what do you mean?
I mean, I think the answer is your sister, Cyrus. That's why she doesn't want to
She's
say.
being gentle. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Chalo, AMAs.
All right.
Mummy, we're kidding around. Don't get all serious.
All right. The AMAs. First one comes in from Sushil Maharana. He says,
before you start, the one question which you should have asked, which we didn't ask, and now that Aisha's left the room.
Yeah.
Mummy, what he was trying to ask you is, out of all the girls that I knew or met or went around with, would you have preferred I married anyone else, and which would be that girl?
No, because I didn't know them that well. I just knew them like that, like coming to the house and talking.
Right. So you're okay with my marriage choice from Shadi.com that we arranged?
Well, each one makes their own bed.
I see. That's a very poignant answer, Silvery. I hope you picked up on that, young man.
Yes, correct. I did.
Bahut badhiya. Let's move on. Sorry, the first question.
All right. First one comes in from Sushil Maharana. He asked AMA question. So this is actually for Amit and you, Cyrus, but since you're the only one here, it's going to be you answering it. If Amit and Cyrus were given an opportunity to be co-PM of our country, co-prime ministers of our country, what would be the two most important decisions taken by them to save our country from COVID and economic crisis?
Yeah, firstly, I'd abandon this lockdown nonsense. I still don't believe in it. I think the only thing to do is go on a full war footing with the vaccine. I mean, like war footing. The vaccine would come to you. Like my mother would never have had to go 4 times to try and find the vaccine in the last 10 days. The vaccine would have come to her in each lane. I had to localize everything perfectly. I had to call out the army if I have to, and I had to make sure everybody everywhere, from the rural districts deep in Uttarakhand all the way down to Kochi itself, I would have everybody in everywhere within a week, the whole country on a war footing would have been vaccinated. That's the first thing I would have done, because I would have taken that far more seriously. And the second thing
Yeah.
is I would have pushed for commerce. I would have 100% pushed for commerce. I cannot ever accept that you can do one or the other. It just won't work, no matter what they tell you. It's like fight or flight, and we've discussed this 200 times. I think Amit is somewhere there with me. I don't think his answer will be very different. A little more conservative, but somewhere with me. Mummy, you're pro lockdown though. We've fought about this. You're pro all these things, and I'm not. Why are you so pro lockdown, Mummy?
I'm not pro lockdown. A little bit is okay, just like 1 week, 2 weeks, like that, but not 4 weeks, And I just wanted to make a comment on this in vaccination. When I read in the papers 4 days ago, let's say, somebody said that if you have nimble fingers, you can get a slot very easily. But I was laughing because when you get old, your fingers are not nimble, and they expect all the 80 plus to
okay, so this
try it
using
every day with nimble fingers.
Yeah, that's a slightly fair point, Silvery. Someone like you will do it in 2 seconds, go online, get yourself or whatever. But what about, say, a couple who live alone or don't have kids or young people
Absolutely,
around
that's
them?
true.
Going on, the nimble fingers is not a completely off the beat point. Well done, Mom. Well played, but stay where you are. Lots more to come. You may win the Grand Cred Prize.
No, finish.
Only 2 hours more, Mummy. Be patient. आपने कहा ना patience एक चीज है ना, patience. Now we'll be patient. Let's see how patient you are.
Okay. The next one is actually this is a long one, so this can be a final EMA also. This one comes in from Neville Crasto. He asks, not a question, but a contribution to an EMA you guys did a few days back. This is about cringe-worthy things Indians do abroad, which reminded me about this post I saw the same morning. We are generally first to cry foul over even a hint of racism. But then this, see attached. So attached, he has sent a pic of, like on Facebook, there will be, if you go to like rent needed, like looking for people to come on rent, like so houses, this is like basically people give houses on rent, right? So they give listings. This is what listings of those houses. Someone from Brantford in, I want to say USA, Canada, Brantford, Ontario, Canada. This person has listed a house, but he has said a room for rent on sharing basis, Gujarati students only. Okay. And he said, look, I'm looking for a Gujarati student to share room on rent. The house is centrally heated, AC, etc., 1.5 bathrooms, 2 persons, etc. Rent is 450 plus utilities. Okay. Now this person goes on to say that this was posted on a public forum in Brantford, Ontario, Canada. The public dhulai this person received in the comment section forced him to take down the ad in about 10 minutes. It would be great to hear your thoughts on this. There were several arguments in comments for and against this, but personally, I don't understand why a student from India would travel to Canada to study and not like to immerse themselves in a different culture.
Yeah, and Canada is like a softer America in many ways,
Yeah.
It's where you actually should immerse yourselves. Less
Absolutely.
fear of repercussions from gangs, very pro-white supremacists or colored gangs or what have you.
Right, yeah.
But here's the point. The answer to all this lies in the fact that we are the most complex society. I think there's no doubt about that. And we have all kinds of issues, not just color. But if you want to talk about race and divides and all that, just look at the matrimonials. Till today, fairness, wheat complexion, all this nonsense is going on till today.
Yeah.
So, I must tell Mom, you've done very well that way, that you've not raised a racist, either me or Gisela. One thing that was good in our family is we have no prejudices towards communities, race. I can say that my parents are very just. Absolutely. There was never any thought of any of that. Like, usko mat bulawa, wo ye caste hai, aur wo jaat ka hai and all that. None of that shit happened. But there were lots of things that they could have done better. My pocket money remained at 50 rupees Silvery from the age of 9 to the age of 26. 50 rupees is all they paid me for as pocket money. 17 years, no increment.
Yeah.
Mummy, how can you do that? I mean, who does that to their child? I used to have to go drinking with the boys. I had to just drink quarter beer and then take one shot of vodka and chase it down and all because I didn't have money.
If people believe you, then it's their lookout.
They do believe me. They do believe me.
So if they believe in you, then it's their lookout.
Mommy, I suffered. Just last week I asked you, can we get condensed milk? I'm missing condensed milk. I went to Dubai, remember, in Jan, and I had condensed milk. What that show had, the sponsor was condensed milk. So I tasted condensed milk again. It's like you taste blood again if you're a man-eater. And I begged you, Mommy. I begged you, and on the podcast I'm going to bring it up. There is no condensed milk. Why is there no condensed milk? We are suffering here. Why can't you bring me condensed milk? Mommy, where's the condensed milk?
Like your wife said, go and buy it yourself.
I mean, this is right. Your wife and mother both talk like this, Silvery. You tell me, is this right? I would have walked out if not for Uddhav Thackeray saying it's a lockdown and stay in. I would have walked out by now. to the loving arms of somebody else's mother and wife. And there are plenty in my lane. And then give me condensed milk. Kam se kam wo to milega. Me, you be careful.
Good.
You be careful. You and Aisha be careful.
We can't wait for that day.
Such a diamond will disappear. Then you see.
We can't wait for that day.
It's like Aarti's calling a bluff, like full on.
She's actually happy. Look at her face.
Yeah.
It's shameful, really.
Okay, I found a very interesting article that someone has sent us. Okay, we can end with this. He says, found a good art from Krishna Raj Ganesh. He says, found a good article, so sending it out to you guys. The article is, the headline is, and then there's like a small body. The headline is, Taiwanese man marries same woman 4 times in 37 days only to extend his paid leaves.
Oh, wow.
So how it works in Taiwan apparently is if you're getting married, your company has to give you 8 days of paid leave. So this guy just kept marrying the same woman again and again, ended up getting 32 days of leave using a novel ruse.
He must be at least 25% Indian. I mean,
I
they
think
just
so,
search
right? Yeah,
somebody on one side. This is jugaad at its best.
For sure.
Immediately, don't you feel a sense of respect? I feel a sense of respect.
Exactly.
I'm
To
like,
any way to
wow.
game the system, I'm happy.
Yeah. And it's technically, it's right. The way I see it, it's not wrong. Because they've clearly said, they've not said there's a limit to how many times you get married. So he's done nothing wrong. So this is the kind of jugaad because he's got enough, equity there to fight in a court.
Exactly.
Mommy, what do you think? Should I get married again?
Up to you.
But last time you forced me to marry Aisha. Now you're saying up to you.
Oh God, don't get me into this nonsense.
It's the reverse of Saas Bahu. It's the reverse dynamic here. So it's a little scary, Silvery.
Yeah.
Now that she's not in the room, I can speak openly. But what about Mummy? Silvery needs to get married. He's in his 20s now. They also searching for a girl for him. Do you have anybody in mind? Any of your friends?
No, I guess not. It's cool. It's
He's
fine.
a young guy. He'll
Yeah.
find.
I'll try my luck somewhere else, Auntie.
Yeah.
It's fine.
He'll find on his own, you feel? But when you leave them to do it on their own, they make these silly decisions like I did. You have to be very careful. I would like you to come in and help here.
He's very careful.
Who's very careful?
Me.
You met him
Silvery.
40 minutes ago on a podcast.
Yeah.
You have no idea.
Ma'am can already tell. Yes.
I can tell.
Is he a nice boy?
I can tell.
Is he a nice boy, Mummy?
Very nice, yeah.
Well brought up?
Very nice.
Well brought up?
God, yes, of course.
Patient? Has he been patient?
Very patient.
Okay. So you're the son she never had, Silvery.
Yeah.
Breaks my heart to say it.
That's Kunal and he now.
Oh! Mom's going for the full
Yes.
jugular now.
You're adding the guys.
Mummy, you be careful. Condensed milk is coming and coming fast. You watch.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
That's it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Mummy, thank you very much for
Thank
a
you so
very
much,
nice
ma'am.
Mother's Day.
Yes.
But if you could, I don't know why you're moving so much and why you're showing us your ear from time to time, but other than that, it's not been so painful, the
I
experience.
can't hear most of the
Thank
time.
God for
It's,
that, Mummy. Thank God for that. Living with me, I think that is the best thing that could happen to you. May you hear less and less. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. But Mummy, I'm giving you 9 on 10 as a mother. 9 on 10.
Very good. Thank you.
And only one I'm taking away because you make me repeat. Otherwise, it would be 10.
Okay.
You want me to repeat that?
Bye. Bye, Silvery.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter, on Cyrus Says In. Or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, struggling with too many obstacles, don't know where your life is headed? Well, if you are dealing with one or all of these, tune into the Positively Unlimited podcast, because in each episode, I share a life lesson, a life hack, a pro tip that can help you get your life back on track. All episodes are available on the IBM website, IBM Podcast app, or wherever it is that you get your podcast from.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से. Hi, I am Sadaf.
And I'm Arshit. खाने का इतिहास, economics, policy, psychology, सब है मेन्यू पे.
Only on the Nankali podcast every Wednesday, सिर्फ IVM podcast app या वेबसाइट पर, या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो.